Who likes the crib? Alright, who wants to go see the view? I'm recording.
Oh, shoot.
You said that on the video. I hope you know that, sir.
Yeah, 'cause I would be dead.
You'd get me canceled.
Oh, I miss these. I miss the ice cream flavors.
Who likes the view? You know, we got the clean view. We got the bedroom where I just gotta find the emote for it. Hold on, give me a second, chat. Give me a second. If I can't find the emote, then I'll just sit down. You know, like the little chill area for me. You know, we got the chill. We got the chill, and we also got the upstairs, the last floor. We have the balcony. You know, just a nice view to get it. Yeah. So that's the crib with the homies. Later.